G'day everyone, we're back for the year and you're going to be coming along with me this week. I'm excited to get out on site, meet a few of the build crews and see all the new builds we've got going on. We've got at least 3 or 4 local builds, so we'll be going around those sites and visiting them. We've also got some other builds in Auckland and Tauranga that we're not going to get to this week, but this is going to be a week in the life of Waikato Sheds with me, Mark the Builder. So come along, grab yourself a coffee and enjoy the ride. We're here on the Hauraki Plains. Well, not quite, we're just outside of Morrinsville. Beautiful day, and we've got an absolutely beautiful shed behind us, built by Kyron and his crew, all clad in New Zealand colour steel with 4 what look like roller doors, but they're actually sectional doors. So fantastic, big mono shed, all New Zealand steel as I said, in colour steel, looks like flax pod, looks absolutely fantastic. So we built this one just before Christmas, so we just come back this year to check it out, see how the owner's going, and he said he's super happy with it, really happy with the whole process, from coming in and seeing our salesman in the office all the way through to our builders building it, fitting it out and all of that. So he's been really happy. We're excited to see what he ends up putting in there. There's already one little treasure in there that I'm looking forward to going and jumping on and showing you guys. So come on over and we'll have a look at a few of the finer details of this bad boy. So here we've got a beautiful bit of aluminium from City Glass, double glazed I believe. But one of the cooler features on this is this little handle here. So it's just got a little normal opening locking mechanism on it, but also you have to do that. You've got a keypad system on it. So if you were using this as a batch or maybe like a machinery club or something, you can have a few people having that keypad to get in and out, which is fantastic. Really beautiful, with a bit of aluminium window on the side there. So it's a pretty cool little feature. So let's go inside and have a look at some of the other awesome things. So these are the sectional doors from the inside, done by Garage Door, fitted by Dominated Doors. They're the ones, fantastic, you know, forgive me, I've had a good holiday, got in a bit too relaxed. But beautiful looking doors. So these ones are just being in a shed, non-insulated, but we can do insulated doors on these if it was more of a habitable build. So awesome how they just rake up and into the ceilings, so they're nice and out of the way. And as you can see, all beautiful New Zealand steel, all galvanized, so super strong a structure like this, and just looks fantastic. So we've got the columns up into our knee braces, and then all of it all held together. So it's a big clear span shed. And as you can see, he's already got one of his toys in here, a beautiful farm cub. So it's a pretty cool looking bit of old kit here. And these little machines, you know, they would have built the Waikato back in the day and transformed it from what it once was into it. So beautiful seeing this in here. He's got his cover down to protect his nice concrete floor, but excited to see if he fills the thing up with even more of these old beauties. And just like our sheds, build out a good quality steel, and they're going to last a lifetime if you look after them and just do your periodic maintenance, giving it a clean and everything. Another feature behind here is our strap bracing. So the strap bracing is just giving extra strength in the building from movement this way, but also that way in this roof. We've put a lot of strap bracing as well. So it's just things like this that set us apart from all your other shed companies, that we're just building the strongest possible sheds that are going to last you a lifetime. So really cool to see that, and just really nice attention to detail from our builders, from the plate work, strap bracing, the detail cutting all the knee braces and everything like that. It's just really sharp and looking really good. So we'll pop over and we'll have a look at the window. Awesome. So in this wall, we've put a window and a door, which hasn't left us a lot of room for a big bit of strap bracing. So what we've done is a few smaller pieces of strap bracing around it. Our engineers have worked out the wind loads and all of that sort of thing, and this is the design they've come up with. So we've got a couple of big mullions each side of it, and then we've framed out the window and put that in. And then got all these little bits of strap bracing around just to make it really strong. So all of these sorts of things our engineers and salesmen can work out for you and let you know. But beautiful, nice sized window here to let in some sunlight when they're out in here dealing with all of that. Mullion in the sidewalls to just give a bit of extra support, because through the building you have double rafters bolted together, but on your sidewalls just a single rafter, so a mullion to help support that and make that really strong and give you something to fix your top hats to. So absolutely fantastic. Just remember, if this sort of shed or any size shed you're interested in, get in contact with us at Waikato Sheds, and you can make an appointment to come in and see any one of our awesome salesmen and get your dream shed underway for this year. Great sheds done right. We're here in Tamahiri, and we've got another awesome build going. New year, lots of new builds. We're out here dropping off some material and checking in on them. The build, Anderson Construction, they've built, this may be the 6th or 7th shed they've built for us, and they've been doing fantastic work. The guys have been here today and built up the 4 portals, cut their navy braces, cut their apex braces. They've done a really good job on those, got all the angles looking really sharp. So they've built those up on the ground, squared up the first one. Well, they'll square them all up, but you square your first one up and then you use that sort of like a template, build the rest, make sure they're square, tighten them up, and then they'll be back tomorrow with a HIAB. They just get a local HIAB crew that they like using in, and they'll stand all these and then start building it. So an awesome little, I don't know, 12 by 10 sort of shed, couple of roller doors, a bit of aluminium in here, fantastic, ride on lawnmower, jet skis, boats, all that awesome stuff that you need to have a good time out there in the Coromandel, wherever your beach house is, wherever you like to go camp, have fun, do all that awesome stuff. You can do anything in a shed, so we can build you a shed that you can do anything in. So fantastic. This is just down the road from our work, so we're going to follow along on this journey and see Anderson Construction build this, and really looking forward to it. Roy, our digger man, he did all the site works, so it's going to be cool just to step by step go through this journey. Great sheds done right. Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, everyone. We're in the beautiful hills of Tamero today. It's a bit windy, so the builders have shot off, and but they're doing fantastic work on this. 8 metres by 15 metre long gable, 30-degree pitched roof, and in corrugated iron, which I absolutely love. Coro, it's got that beautiful look. And this is Flaxpod mat, which is, we've done a few sheds in it, and it comes up looking absolutely amazing. Fantastic thing is building their shed first, and then they're going to build their dream home later. But that gives them the ability to catch water, have power, have a lockable unit to have everything in then when they start building their own house. So, as we say, just a nice big straight gable with a little lean-to on the side. It's going to have a roller door in the front, roller door on the side, then a bit of aluminium joinery, some windows going in. Obviously, being up in the hills in Tamero, it's got a pretty substantial amount of strap bracing, girts and steel in this to make it big and strong and beautiful. So it's absolutely fantastic. The guys, they got this all done before Christmas, and then they've started back this week just doing a few of the other things. So we'll go round and we'll have a look at some of the awesome details. Come inside, and it's beautiful, this building with that 30-degree roof. It's got a bit of a cathedral-like structure to it. Inside we've got thermocraft building paper on the walls, roof, and all New Zealand steel, so nothing but the best. Got got our mullion in the centre here, and you can see they've had to put this brace in. They've built this wall on the ground, stood it up, and then braced it back, and then built the rest of the structure around it. So, just always with Paul and Stan, you get in the best builders. They attention to detail is paramount. I believe Stan may have been born on a building site, and he's been building sheds since, so he knows what he's doing, he knows his stuff. So absolutely fantastic. Got their little fly braces built up there. Those bad boys are going to go on like that and help strengthen the building even further. So we'll have a look around a bit more of the building, but just never hesitate to get on the phone, the blower some people call it, ring our office and make an appointment to see one of our sales staff so you too can get a dream shed. Great sheds done right. G'day everyone, out on site, and we're back in Miranda today, dropping off a bit of material for our builders, and they're smashing through it. Got all the portals up, all the top hats on the roof, starting to do the back wall, and now laying paper for the side wall. Beautiful day today, not too much wind, which is what you want when you're laying your paper. But as you can see, 4 bays, 3 enclosed with some aluminium going in, and then this cool open bay at the end where they're going to be able to park either their camper van or boat. You'd be picking a boat when you look at the location. Beautiful, there's the further Thames, great fishing out there. Looking back into the Hauraki Plains. Alright, little on-site update for this shed. Kyron and the crew have been busy as. They've got all the walls clad, doors formed, frames up. They've pretty much done everything. They will have been put in a flashing order for this now, and then they're waiting for the scaffolding to go up. Once the scaffolding's up, they'll get a roof on, cross bracing in, knee braces, and then window going in here, so that's all been cross-braced round. It's going to have a few PA doors in it, an aluminium ranch slider, another aluminium ranch slider. So absolutely fantastic. Then you'll step out into this covered courtyard area / caravan storage. So absolutely fantastic. These people are building this out of Miranda. You got an ocean view right there of the Firth of Thames, and then they're going to build their dream house. This has been consented to have a bathroom in it, so it's going to be a good base to work from to take care of their land and to then build their dream house out of. Well, have this to store everything as they build their dream house. So absolutely fantastic, looking really sharp there, and looking forward to getting all the scaff up so the guys can continue working, get it done. Look forward to another update soon.